Welcome back. Caculo Goan won T20 match against Chowgules by 20 runs in GPL. Caculo Goan scored 156 for 9 in 20 overs, to which Chowgule were wrapped in within 18 overs on 136 runs. Swapnil Asnodkar scored 58 runs in 42 balls with 2 sixes. He was adjudged man of the match from Chowgule. Avdhuth Amonkar scored a heroic 61 runs in 35 balls with 5 sixes, but it couldn't save the day for Chowgules. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.